Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mix the half and half, sugar and vanilla in a resealable bag. Place the ice and the kosher salt in another resealable bag. Place the sealed half and half mixture into the bag with the ice. Vigorously shake the bags for 5 to 10 minutes. Add toppings and enjoy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Full cream milk. Full cream milk is the best for making homemade ice cream because of its high butterfat content of 3 to 4%. Skimmed milk, by contrast, only has about 0.5% butterfat content. You can also use goat's milk if you like, but it will add a slightly tangy taste to the ice cream.
Take our lead.
You can use rock salt, works best, or table salt, still works well. In the small bag, put 1.5 cups of your favorite milk, reduced fat milk, or heavy cream. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar for every 1.5 cups of milk, or to taste. Seal the smaller bag, then place it in the big bag and shake it.
Let's help you make your mark.
Eggs are an important ingredient for delicious ice cream, but it's also critical to follow some tips so everyone can enjoy ice cream and be assured it's safe to eat. Eggs add flavor and color, prevent ice crystallization, and create a smooth and creamy texture.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.